Hi, I'm Cassie from Boatshed BVI. I'm here aboard the Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440 and I'm going to show you around. So first of all, coming into the galley and salon area, you can see the galley has a stove there with a 2-burner stove and the fridge. She has lots of storage. This is a 4 cabin and 2 head version. So here's the port side forward cabin and the aft side. And you have a nice bathroom with a stand-up shower and toilet, which has access also to the forward cabin. Looking aft, you have the port side aft cabin and the port side starboard cabin, and here's a look inside the bathroom. Navigation table there with all your electronics, and salon with TV. If you'd like more details about this boat or more videos, please visit boatshedbvi.com.